Good morning guys, it has just gone 9 o'clock and as you can see I am in the gym, and there's two reasons why I'm in the gym. The first is to show you that we still have to wear these, and the second is because I'm working up an appetite because one of my favourite cafes is about to open today. Directly next to the gym is one of my favourite places in San Antonio Bay. It's been closed for almost 2 months now, so the staff can have a well-earned rest before the start of the summer, but also they have extended it and renovated inside, and today it opens and I'm really excited about that. So behind me, here we have it. It is a cool cafe, now with a terrace twice the size of before. Time for some breakfast and a cafe con leche. Let's go inside and check out the changes. Take a quick peek at the menu. Here you've got the classics, all the toasts. They are amazing. Juices, smoothies, energy bowls. This is a new section where you can make your own dishes. And then here you have the plate of the days, which are more for at lunchtime. Breakfast has arrived and it looks good. I went for something off the new menu where you choose your own. Choose your eggs. I've gone for scrambled. Then you have a protein, which is turkey, avocado, mushrooms, spinach, brown bread, and of course, cafe con leche. Never disappointed, and this time was no different. Have to check out a cool cafe if you're in the Bay, or even if you're not. If you have a car, drive over this side. It is well worth it. Briefly mentioned earlier about the mask situation, and I was hoping I didn't have to mention COVID things again in the next vlogs, but a few of you have asked me what the situation is here in Ibiza. Well, currently at the moment you only have to wear your masks if you are in an indoor space such as shops, bars, restaurants, cafes. Obviously when you're eating, drinking, sat down at your table, that's not the case, but in theory when you stand up to go to the bar or you go to the toilet, the bathroom, then yeah, you do have to put your mask on. Also, you may have seen a vlog where I was at the football a few weeks ago. Even though that is an outside space, because there are so many people there, you also have to wear your masks in the outside spaces there, unless again you have a drink or food. It is expected before the summer starts for this to be scrapped. Fingers crossed it will. Announcements for the clubs are coming in thick and fast and almost daily. I did plan to make a vlog just concentrated on this, but there are so many, so I thought while I was down in this area I'd take a quick drive down to Playa and Bossa and just let you know what's going on with these two places, starting with Ushuaia, of course, behind me. Ushuaia and Hi both open the doors on the 30th of April. They will look very different to how they do now. It's a party that is aptly named Better Together, and it will start here in Ushuaia throughout the daytime, and then we'll carry on across the road at Hi later on. Then, quite an interesting one, the following day at Ushuaia you have Duran Duran playing. This is on the 1st of May, and Duran Duran are playing there as part of the 40th anniversary tour, so that should be quite interesting. A couple of other announcements so far at Ushuaia are that on Wednesdays you have Dimitri Vegas and Like Mike, and then on Fridays in summer you will have Calvin Harris, so that's going to be huge. Heading across the road, the short distance to Hi, and here some of the big announcements so far are you have Glitterbox on Sundays, and that starts very early from the 8th of May. You then have Black Coffee starting from mid-May, and that's on a Saturday. That's one of the most popular nights here on the island. And then we also have Fischer on Wednesdays from mid-June. It's been 2 years, but this place is going to be crazy this summer. There in the distance you have Hard Rock Hotel, Ushuaia Tower, and Ushuaia itself. You can just see the wigwams or the teepee there of the outside chill out area and Hi, and I just want to show you this because by the time everybody arrives, all the new billboards are up, but you have some of the old ones. There we have a space one, and I think on the other side as well there's some very old ones from space. Yeah, there we go, look, space closing. As you can see, Playa and Bossa, very quiet, very grey day. Also have noticed in this vlog that we have some pretty grey, cloudy, dull looking skies above Ibiza. They have been here for almost 3 days now, and apparently that is because there's been a lot of dust carried over from the Sahara in the winds from Storm Celia, and we have it sitting right above Ibiza and the Balearic Islands. So what I thought I would do now is I'm heading back to San Antonio. I thought we could go to the highest point and get a better look from up there. We even have a health advisory in place recommending against prolonged and energetic outdoor activities because the air quality is so bad. Anyway, here we are in San Antonio. We're going to take a trek to the top and see what views we can see. Time now is 10 to 5. I think it only takes about 15 minutes to get to the top. Let's see how we get on. Fallen tree in the way. I think you can just start to see San Antonio in the distance, but it's a much better view on the top, and I have actually got my drone with me, so I'll try and get that out at the top as well. Almost at the top. I can see it, not quite there, but almost. You can see here a lot of the burnt out trees for when San Antonio had the big fire a few years back. This place used to be hidden by all the trees, but now you can pretty much see it from anywhere in San Antonio and San Antonio Bay. Okay, here we are at the top, guys. Let me show you around. This pile of logs and branches is not usually here, but then you have the chapel. Over the far side, Cala Salada. And then over this way, there will be more things that you all recognise, starting with the Sunset Strip and Cala des Moro there. Not the best day for the view, but the idea is to show you the dust cloud. Then we have San Antonio, the bay in the distance, moving around to the beach, Tueres Paradise and Eden, and then the fields out towards Ibiza town. And I almost forgot, the time now is just 5:05, so it's taken just under 15 minutes to get up here, and I had to stop a few times to make some videos, so it's quite an incline, but it only takes 15 minutes, so pretty much anyone can do it, just take your time. Next time I'm up here, I promise it will be blue skies, sunshine, and I'll come up as the sun is setting. The next few days, it is supposed to rain, and when it does, for sure, the island will be covered in a red dust. Right guys, I'll leave the vlog there. I'm actually heading back to the UK for a week. I'm flying back from here to London City, and then I'll be coming back out from Leeds Bradford on the first direct flight of the summer, and that is on the 27th of March. There's also the flights from other UK airports start up direct, so summer is well underway. So I hope you've all got your flight books. If anyone's coming out to Ibiza and they do need help with villas, boats, cars, anything like that, just give me a shout and I'll be more than happy to help. Also guys, on that note, we've just sailed past 2,600 subscribers, which is amazing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, it helps the channel grow. Also, please hit the like button and drop any comments in the box below, always appreciated. Okay guys, thanks for that, and I will see you on the next vlog. Bye.